A YouTube creator gained 100,000 subscribers on YouTube in 3 months, and his earnings increased from $1 per month to $5,000 per month, only by uploading animated stories on YouTube. Today, I will show you the secret recipe to earn thousands of dollars from YouTube. To create a successful YouTube animation channel, you need 1. Good quality animations, and 2. Understanding of the YouTube analytics. So, in today's video, I will show you how to make the best quality animated stories using AutoDraft AI and earn thousands of dollars from YouTube. In today's video, we will explain all the features in detail which are available on AutoDraft AI, like AI backgrounds with layers using reference images, sketches, and storyboards, AI characters, prompt to animated characters, how to upload your own characters, how to generate AI voiceovers with emotions, AI animations without rigging, and editor to compile everything in one place with expressions, lip sync, and many more features. Let's get started then. To use AutoDraft AI, you just simply go to the internet and search AutoDraft AI, and then click on the first link that you see. Once clicked, you will land on the AutoDraft AI homepage, where you will find different template models. These template models are art style models which are trained on specific styles, and once trained, you will be able to generate consistent outputs with it. So we have 8 different art styles available on our platform, and there are many more to be added soon. Depending on your art style requirement for your animations, you create a project with any of these models. To log in, you have 3 options: Gmail, Facebook, and email, and a password. You can choose either of these as per your choice and log in. Once logged in, you'll land on the project page where you will see 2 options: create animation and voiceovers, and AI image generation. You click on create AI animation and voiceover. Then you choose a model and create a project. Once the project is created, you'll land on the animation canvas. Here on the left-hand side, you will see various different options. There are characters, there are assets, there is an option to upload your own assets and upload your own audio. There are image generation options using image to image, as in image as a reference. This is AI voiceovers. Here you can find 100+ AI voiceover samples available, which you can choose and generate. There is an option of AI characters where you choose a specific structure, then generate a prompt and generate the animated characters. Let's check the AI background generation. So first, you just go on to the internet and find a suitable reference image that you are looking for based on your script. Once you find a suitable reference image, either you can take a screenshot or download this image, then upload this particular reference image in the reference image section like this. Once uploaded, you can choose an aspect ratio. Then there are 3 options: image stylization, storyboard image, and sketch image. We'll choose image stylization, generate a prompt. It will analyze the reference image and give you a prompt. And once generated, you simply click on generate. You will see the outputs getting generated down below here. For sketch to image, you can find a suitable sketch from the internet, or you can draw your own sketch. Then it's the same process. You take the reference image, upload it here, then choose an aspect ratio, choose sketch to image mode, confirm, then generate the prompt, and then you hit the generate button. Similarly, we'll try with storyboard to image now. So to generate storyboard to image, you take a very rough sketch of your background, like the one that I'm taking. It does not have a lot of defined lines, just the basic structure. Then you choose storyboard to image, confirm, generate a prompt, and then you get the final output. As you can see, these are the outputs. This is the before image. This is the after for image stylization, storyboard, and sketch to image. Now let us try and create backgrounds with layers. So to create backgrounds with layers, All you need to do is just take different parts of your background, like a hut or a building, tree and sky, and so on. Then we will simply take their reference images separately, perform image stylization on them, and once you are done with the image stylization of these parts, we'll remove their backgrounds. Now, let us place the character first. We'll do the path for it to walk from point A to point B. We'll increase the length of the animation on timeline. So right now, it is walking straight from right to left. Right? Once you are ready with the layers of your backgrounds, you will simply click on Edit from here, and you will see these options. You'll simply choose BG Remover and remove the background of it. After a few seconds, this particular object's background is removed. Once removed, you will simply add your background to your animation canvas like this. Now this is added. Now you see on the timeline. The background 0 is the base background that we've added. Then we've added the Sadhu's character. Then we've added another background layer. So the character will walk from behind this particular layer, as in background in this case. So similarly, you can create layered backgrounds for your animations. Now let us check the AI animations. Simply go to the character section, search for the kind of character that you're looking for. And simply click on any of these characters and you will see hundreds of animation samples like these ones. So no need to rig any of your characters. You will be able to find all these characters animated directly. Cool, right? Now simply take any of these characters, search for the animation that you're looking for, then you will place your character accordingly, and you can also set it up in your timeline. Then you simply click on the options like Flip. You will be able to flip your character left and right. Then there is an option of Path. Path will be used when you are creating animations like walking animation. Then your character will walk from point A to point B. So if you click on Path, your point B will appear. You will place your point B, and then you simply be able to see your character walking from point A to point B. You can also do the path for your backgrounds to create an establishing shot or zoom in or zoom out shots. Next, we'll see AI character generations. AI character generation, you will get multiple different character structures here. We'll keep on adding more structures in future. You choose a specific character structure, generate a prompt like this. Once the prompt is generated, you'll also be able to make some changes to it, and then you simply hit generate. On the right-hand side, you will see your character generations and the history. Character is generated. You will be able to see this. If you like, click on Next. If you don't, you can discard and regenerate. After you click Next, you will be able to see customization options where there are eye packs, there are hands, and there are lips options. Then, in Editor, you will be able to edit your character, each and every part of your character like this. So all you need to do is just upload your own character-related part if you have one. So every part of this particular character's body is editable. So accordingly, you can choose and customize your character the way you want. You can click on the hand icon and pan your character. You can switch on the skeleton mode to exactly see how your character is fitting. If there are some parts, if you're uploading and they are not perfectly setting up in this particular bone structure, then you will have to see and adjust it accordingly. In Preview, you will be able to see all your character-related animations if they are looking good or not. Then you save your character. Your character will be visible in your character section. You simply click on it. All these animations will directly be applied on your AI character, so it's a simple way of generating text to animated characters. Now we'll see this AI character in action. Looks pretty good to me. Now let us see how you can upload your own characters. To upload your own characters, simply go to our Characters section and click on the Edit button from the top, and an editor will open. Here, you will be able to replace all your character parts with this particular character's parts. Accordingly, you can replace our template characters with your own characters. All animations will perfectly fit into your characters. You'll also be able to see it in Preview if it is fitting well or not. So each of the body parts of this particular character is editable. So one by one, you can upload your character's part on our template character, and your own character will be added over here, which will stay private to you only. It will not be public like our template characters. So if you are planning to upload your own character, then all you need to do is just have your character cut out into these kinds of parts which we have shown over here. Once you are ready, you can see all your previews, and then you save the character. Once saved, you will be able to see your character in our character section. All animations will directly be applied on it. Okay, now we will see how to edit the template characters. We already have added some characters over here, and if you just want to modify a few things like clothes or body proportions, then all you need to do is just go to our character. Click on Edit and download the part which you want to edit. I'm downloading all hands-related parts. I'm downloading the torso. Now I'll be able to edit these parts in any other software. We'll also add these editing features in AutoDraft itself, so stay tuned. Once edited, all you need to do is just click the character part, and then you simply upload the edited part right here. So we added the torso. Now we are just replacing that torso with this one. Similarly, you can edit each and every part of this particular character, and then you'll get a new character. You will be able to see it in your previews. Once ready, you simply save the character, and all these animations will be applied on your characters. Just like that, your edited template character is now ready. Now we'll show you how to change the clothes. We simply go to the character, click on Edit button, and then you download the specific character parts which you want to modify or change the clothing of it. So I downloaded torso and hand-related parts. Then I'll take these parts into any other software and edit the clothing structure and so on and so forth. And once edited, I'll upload their PNGs or replace their PNGs with our existing template characters' PNGs. So you got yourself a brand new character just by downloading the template character parts and editing in any of your softwares. You can see in preview, all parts are fitting perfectly as expected. And this character will be saved. And this will stay private to you. Nobody else will be able to see your particular model. So now we'll see this particular character in action. We'll add the running animation, set it up in the timeline, create the point B, and yeah, your character is ready to run. Next, we'll see how to generate AI voiceovers with lifelike emotions. There are two options. First, in which you will be creating a basic voiceover using your own voice, recording your dialogues, your scripts, your narrations, and uploading it in our audio section. This way, you will be able to generate or capture perfect emotions. And then you can choose a specific template voice that we have. And once done, you simply click on Generate. So you'll be able to see perfect emotion capture, right? And we also have a traditional option of text-to-speech, where you just upload or write down or copy-paste your narration script's dialogues. Choose the voice, and then you can generate. So this way, you will be able to generate copyright-free and lifelike emotions in your voiceovers. So this voice is generated. You simply click on Add to Scene. So your voice will directly be added to the timeline. You will be able to play and preview it. So to create animations, first you will generate the voiceovers and set them on the timeline. Then, accordingly, you'll generate backgrounds. Then, you'll add your characters. And when everything is ready, you will be able to simply export your videos in full HD. Next, we have AI animations without rigging. So as we have seen, we have about 50+ template characters of different geographies. You can take any of these characters, simply search the animation that you're looking for. We already have about 500+ animations. We are planning to add much more than that. Now you simply take the character. You add the background. You align the layers from the timeline, and your character is ready. In controls, we'll see multiple different options like expressions, lip sync, secondary and tertiary animations of your characters. Let us take the ideal animation, where the character is just standing. Once you select it, go to Controls on the right. There is an option of speaking. You enable it. Then I blink. You enable it. So now the character is talking, and I blink is happening. We'll do the same process for expressions. You go to Expressions. We have 40 plus expressions added. You can select any of these, apply changes, and the expression is also added. Now we'll see secondary animation. So what we have applied directly from the characters is the primary animation. Now let us see the secondary animation of hands and legs. So this is the secondary animation. So first is ideal. Secondary is the hand movement. Now we also have legs-related movements in your tertiary animations. We will just simply apply it, and you will be able to see secondary and tertiary animations applied to it. In animation controls, we've seen flip and path. Now we'll see how to add props in your characters. After adding the animation on canvas, you click on props from here, then you will be able to see a lot of different template props that we have added. You can choose from these, or you can also choose to upload your own prop. You will set your particular prop in your character's hands like left or right, then you'll be able to preview your prop in action, then you simply save it. So this particular character will be added separately. You simply click on it. All animations will be applied on this particular character, and each of this animation will have this particular prop in the character's hand. So this way, you will be able to add any prop in your character's hands. You can increase and decrease the speed of the animation like this. Now we'll see all the timeline-related features where we have layer duplicates and split options. So for an example, if you are creating a conversation scene between two people, let's say the scene is of 10 seconds, then 5 seconds, some character will speak and another character will be idle, and vice versa. Now take your cursor on the 5th second and apply a split like this, and then you will enable the speaking, lip syncing accordingly from the controls after selecting the specific part. So here I am selecting this character with expression and lip sync, and I'll skip the other one, and then I'll set the other character with expressions and lip sync. Then you will simply apply changes, and then you will see that this particular character is speaking, and another is just standing idle. So this way, you will be able to create conversation scenes using your timeline-related features where there is split and duplicate and so on. Now we'll see how to remove the green screen in AutoDraft AI. You will simply find a green screen video from the internet. You will first convert it into a GIF, then go to Assets and upload the GIF. Now what I'll do is I'll add some characters and try to create a scene with it. So I've taken this particular character, now I'm taking the idle animation, then I'll add some expressions to it. I'll set the timeline according to my characters and the green screen. Let me add a fear expression since we have a tiger. So this is with the green screen. Now we remove the green screen, simply click on the chroma key from the top, and a green screen will be removed. Now we have a tiger properly set on the scene. Let us maybe add a background and see how this particular scene looks. So let me add this background. I'll just adjust the layer so the background will go at the bottom. Looks good, ain't it? Now let us see how to upload GIFs in AutoDraft. So you take the background, then you go to Assets and upload a GIF of your choice. If there is a background in your GIFs, you just simply remove it with the chroma key. I'm setting this truck's GIF, then click on the path. Point B will appear, and then I'll simply set it up according to my background. So my particular vehicle is going from point A to point B. Now let us see how to add effects in AutoDraft AI. To add an effect, I'll take one character and a background. I'll accordingly set it up on our timeline. Effects are very important in your animations to give it a more cinematic feel, right? So I've added this. Then you simply click on Effects. In Effects, we have added multiple different options. There are fire-related options, there are lightning-related options, rain, and so on. I'm taking the fire one here. Effect is added on the timeline. You can increase and decrease the duration of it, so I'm increasing the duration for fire to up to 9 seconds. Then the next effect which I'm adding is of dust or maybe a snowfall type. Now I'll set it up from 9 seconds onwards. So the fire effect will be there till 9 second and others from 9 second onwards. I'm adding another effect, another 2 effects actually. One is of lightning and another is rain or dust. I'll increase the duration for character and the background, and maybe some duration for fire to kind of overlap the effect. Now I am replacing my character's subsequent animation using a split feature. In split, I'm replacing the fear animation. I'll split and delete the last part like this. Then I'll add a subsequent animation of the same character, which is happy or cheerful, because now it's raining, right? So I'll choose this character. I'll take this particular animation, which will directly be set on the same character layer on the timeline. Let us see the effects in action now. Once you are ready with your animations, just click here to save the project and click on Download to download your videos in full HD and HD. Thank you so much for watching. Hope our tools will help you bring your stories to life. If you want us to make tutorials on any specific topics, then let us know in the comments section. Also, if you need any help with the tools or so, don't forget to join our Discord community, links in the description. See you all in the next video. Till then, goodbye, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel.